Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by opening Display Settings immediately. Right-click the desktop and pick Display Settings. Once there, scroll down and click Graphics Settings. This takes you directly to per-app GPU controls. Make sure to choose the correct app type: Classic App for exe files or Microsoft Store app for store apps. Then click Browse and locate the program you want to manage. This first step gives you control over which GPU runs each app and why that matters for performance and battery life. Once the app is added to the list, select it and press Options to view GPU preferences. Here you choose power saving for the integrated GPU or high performance for the discrete GPU. Let Windows decide keeps automatic balancing. Pick high performance for demanding games or editing, since it gives better frame rates, and power saving for long battery life. After choosing, click Save to apply the setting. Make sure to restart the app, so the change takes effect and Windows assigns the chosen GPU. To finish, apply the same per-app workflow to any other programs you want to manage, and review each entry to confirm the right GPU is selected. If Windows ignores your choice, update your GPU drivers or reinstall the graphics driver because outdated drivers often override settings. Once done, restart the affected app. Sometimes a full system restart is required. If problems persist, try toggling the option and saving again. This forces Windows to reassign the GPU and usually resolve.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.